this video, we are going to see Hatha Yoga during pregnancy. Yoga can be a great way to stay active, reduce stress during pregnancy. But it's important to take certain precautions and modify your practice as needed. Before beginning any exercise program during pregnancy, it's important to check with your healthcare provider to make sure it's safe for you and your baby. Some yoga poses should be avoided during pregnancy, especially those that involve laying on your back or twisting your abdomen. Also, poses that require a lot of balance and stability, such as headstands or arm balances, should be avoided. As your body changes during pregnancy, you will need to modify your yoga practice to accommodate your growing belly and any discomfort you may be experiencing. This may mean using props such as blocks or blankets to support your body in certain poses or choosing more gentle and restorative poses. It's important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard during your practice. If you feel uncomfortable or experience any pain or discomfort, stop immediately and take rest. Make sure to drink plenty of water before, during and after your yoga practice to stay hydrated. Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga is a type of yoga that focuses on physical postures and breathing techniques and meditations. The word Hatha comes from two Sanskrit words, Ha, which means sun, and Ta, which means moon. This refers to the balancing of opposing forces within the body, such as the active and passive energies represented by the sun and the moon. Hatha combines mainly the physical postures or asanas that are designed to stretch and strengthen the body, and it combines the breathing techniques, or we can call pranayama, which can help improve lungs capacity, reduce stress and promote relaxation. Now we will see some simple Hatha Yoga poses. Number 1, mountain pose, Tadasana. This standing pose involves standing with feet hip width apart and hands at the sides. So this mountain pose can help improve posture and balance. Number 2, tree pose, Vriksasana. This standing pose involves standing on the one leg and resting the sole of the other foot on the inner thigh of the standing leg. And this tree pose can help improve balance and strengthen the legs. Third Hatha pose is triangle pose or Trigonasana. This standing pose involves standing with feet wide apart and reaching one arm down towards the floor while the other arm reaches up towards the ceiling. And this triangle pose can help improve balance and strengthen the legs. Cat-cow stretch. This gentle spinal stretch involves moving between a rounded back, that means cat, and arched back, that means cow positions, while on hands and knees. So this cat and cow sketch can help relieve tension in the back and pelvic area. Next is child's pose, Balasana. This gentle pose involves sitting back on the heels and stretching the arms forward. So this child pose can help relieve tension in the back and hips. Next one is pigeon pose. This pigeon pose involves bringing one knee forward and stretching the other leg back. So this pigeon pose can help relieve tension in hips and lower back. Finally, it's important to remember that during pregnancy, your body is changing and may be more susceptible to injury. So always listen to your body and modify your practice as needed. If you are new to yoga, consider starting with the prenatal yoga class to ensure that you are practicing safely and receiving the support and guidance you needed. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, please click the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.